Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're just going. Please, before I start, like if you like, share, subscribe. If you want this material to be uploaded regularly, please like, share, and subscribe. This is a gold brief, and I'm leaning toward the bullish scenario, which means I'm opening up my mind for a bullish outcome. I am not bullish as of now, but I will be in a bullish mindset next week. All right. So what is going on here? This is the USD DXY in the daily time frame, and we are definitely in a bearish disco combo, and also we are on the trend line. So once we, where are we now? So once we break this trend line, I will be extremely. Actually, we did break the trend line. Let me see. I'll be really bullish for. It's right on the price action. So once we break this trend line, we will have the first break and a bearish disco combo, which will give gold and GDX a lot of relief. So also the USD found sellers here in the daily time frame at exactly the 50% Fibonacci extension of this high to this low. So far, so good for the gold and bad for the dollar. So bearish disco combo after a period of extreme liquidation mode and extreme overbought. So the sentiment now is an extreme bullishness. Usually, collective minds are always wrong. So you break this trend line with this bearish disco combo and also bearish divergence might produce a price destruction for the DXY, which will be good for everything. Beautiful. So this is gold price action. Also, what's so bad about this picture now is the stochastic is below 20 and also the RSI is below 30, which means every rally is suspect. But what happened here, we found buyers at this buyer zone. We find buyers at this buyer zone. That's why I'm leaning bullish but not bullish yet. Okay? So this is the daily time frame for gold continuous contracts. Yeah, nothing bullish about this picture for gold either, but the only thing that is bullish is the buyer zone. All right. Silver. Same thing. You find buyers at buyer zone, yet the indicators are still in distribution mode, except the RSI is over uh, 30. And also, you have usually some Japanese candle analysts believe that if you eclipse more than one day, there's a good chance that it's a short covering rally. So I'm not saying, even though I'm leaning toward the bullish side, yet I might recognize that short covering is taking place in gold and also the market. But I'm trying to keep my mind open for any possibility because nothing goes down forever. And traders are not set to their minds. They have to change with time. There's no buy signal, that's for sure. That is for sure. Let me look at gold silver ratio. Let me make it GLD SLV ratio. Yeah, there is no buy signal yet, but there's some improvements for sure. But there's no buy signal, so we want is this could be an island reversal in the price action for GLD SLV. So the lower it goes, it's bullish for everything, for gold and silver and gold miners. So this could be an island reversal, yet the indicators are still in bullish mode. Okay, let's look at GDX. All right. I'm more bullish in GDX today than I was a couple of days ago, even though the low was cut a couple of days ago. So now I'm more bullish. So this is my assumption so far. So we have 5 waves up since October, and this gives me the first wave, hopefully, and we going through the second wave in a form of zigzag. 5 waves down, A, B, 3 waves up, C, 5 waves down, and we concluded that last week. So this is my first assumption, and I suspected that the C might be at 20. If you see my last video, 25.64, I said at 25.50. It was a zone, and that zone was hit because there are a lot of analysts out there that are trying to analyze the price structure, and they happen to think like me collectively. Okay, so far, 5 waves up, 1, zigzag 2, and we might go through the third of 3, and would be a beautiful rally. We wait and see. So this is the overall picture for the Elliott wave counts, and this is the mini thing that can, that talks about the last C. So in the last C here, you have the low of September, the high of September as B. C is the 227 Fibonacci extension, which really is a beautiful place where the buyers gather. And also right here, you have the low of August and the high of September. C is the 162 Fibonacci extension of A to B. That's another beautiful thing. And the weekly time frame, you have, as I said, the 5 waves up. It will become 1 and ABC, and hopefully this is C. And we have a beautiful hammer right here with good. What I liked about GDX too, I seen liquidation mode in a way that not many stupid money. I'm sorry to say that. Not a lot of stupid money. Very bullish, so they liquidated a lot of their assets. They losing hope, and usually this is where the bottom shows itself. In conclusion, I am not bullish as of yet I am trying to keep my, try to have an open mind and suspect that the bottom is in for GDX, and try to find a buy signal next week. Please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, disco is forever!